Hi, I'm Shawna Coronado. Welcome to Easy as 1, 2, 3 Gardening Tips. Today, I'm going to show you how to harvest your herbs so that you'll have herbs all season long. We're at my garden bar. Yep, I have a garden bar. I've planted in here red velour wave petunias, the Kong Mosaic plants, Hypoestes white splash, I love the Hypoestes, and none of these are edible, okay? But what is edible in my garden and I love to use for cocktails and lemonade is my basil. I want to keep the basil producing all season long, and the way to do that is to cut it in thirds. Here's what I mean. Go into your basil, go down to a leaf where a leaf stem pops out, and cut right there. Now look, I've cut a third of the plant away. Now this third I can use in my cooking and my cocktails, and we can have lots of fun with this third. I'm going to wait for it to grow back before I cut another third off. That's how it works. All season long, cut 1/3 of the herb off at a time, and you can use it for whatever you want and have it growing beautifully all season. Thanks for joining me for Easy as 1, 2, 3 Gardening Tips. Come back next time for more gardening fun.